Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion Calgary. My name is Anya Basek and I'm here today at Holt Renfrew in Calgary with Lisa Tant, Vice President Exclusive Services at Holt Renfrew. How are you, Lisa?
I am well, always happy to be here.
Well, we are always looking forward to have you here because there's always twice for sure a year when we see you, and we are waiting for hearing about the trends this year. So spring and summer approaching, what can you tell us what we can expect this season on the runway and in the store?
Well, what we're highlighting at Holt's is we've picked a number of the big trends. There's the hippie 70s kind of feel. There's the sport athletic inspiration, which is getting stronger and stronger. Beautiful florals, and then very sleek minimalist investment dressing.
Okay. What about the colors? What are the trending colors this season?
You know, a lot of white, a lot of beautiful white dresses, and then earthy soft neutrals, but also some brights, you know, bright blue, warm pinks. So it's really a lot of different things for different people, but you can't go wrong if you stick to those great classics: black and white, sand tones, soft pink.
Is there any specific, are there any specific patterns that you can see besides florals?
You know, florals are huge, whether it's part of the hippie feel or the big graphic florals, but also in that kind of 70s look, stripes, some graphic black and white checks and angles, geometrics. So it's either quite mod or very beautiful and feminine.
Well, I can wait to see some of the models on the runway today. But Lisa, talking in general about the fashion, what do you think differentiate Calgary from other big cities when it comes to fashion in Canada?
You know, I find fashion across the country is similar in a lot of ways because fashion's very global now. We're all looking at the net, we're all looking at Instagram, we see what everyone's wearing. We had such a great big party here the other night, and seeing everyone from wearing very sophisticated pieces by Brunello Cucinelli to fun sequin, sparkle. You know, it really is about expressing yourself, and I think people in Calgary are very open and natural and have a big generous spirit, and that usually means colorful clothes.
Well, you went way ahead of my question because I want to ask you what do you think about the fashion scene in Calgary. But Holt Renfrew, I absolutely love coming here because of the people and of course the clothing and accessories and everything else. But what do you think makes shopping at Holt Renfrew such a unique experience?
Well, listen, we have some of the world's best brands here, some of the best design houses, 70 of them. The global ones are exclusive to us. So if you're looking for something very high fashion, you're looking to see the newest trends first, they're here at Holt's.
Yeah, and this is so exciting. And if you could give a few tips to women and help them achieve their stylish look, what would you say?
You know, I think everything now is about the selfie. I actually love selfies, and what I say to people...
I keep watching and following you. I love those.
I love them because what you can do is you can take pictures of the clothes you have, save them in an album on your phone, and then when you go shopping, oh, I have this, I have that, but I need a jacket that looks like that. Or here's a great outfit that I love, but I'm going to challenge myself to wear this jacket, say, 3 different ways. Take a picture. And then when you go shopping, you know exactly what you have. So that's my #1 tip.
Thank you so much, Lisa, and we look forward to see the runway.
Oh, always. See you on the runway.
Yes, thank you.